Hi everybody. I've been busy planting my garden. We still have a lot of snow on the ground, so it's going to be a while before I am able to get anything out there, but I have onions sprouting in the greenhouse, so that is very exciting. And pretty soon here I'll be planting celery and then some of my brassicas and then peppers and tomatoes. And I actually just did a blog post about my planting schedule that I use here in Zone 5. My average last frost is around the 1st of June, so that's what it's based on. So if you are in Zone 5, be sure to check that out. So today I am going to be drawing a winner for our heirloom seed giveaway. I'm using the comment picker here to randomly select a winner to the contest. Let's see. All right, we have 23 unique comments. So let's pick the winner. The winner, Vercingetorix 3.0. Cool heirloom seeds giveaway. Okay, I'm going to put my contact info in the description box at the bottom of this video. So send me your address and I will get your 10 packages of heirloom seeds in the mail to you. Congratulations.